Believing that everything will fall into place in the end can allow you to pursue your ambitions, even if it means drifting from the standard path. Videos with this kind of content receive millions of views and can generate $300 to $500 or more every day. That's why I'm about to show you how to make motivating and inspiring videos like these. I tell you that it is a really simple strategy that can be used by anyone, wherever in the globe. There is no need to use a camera, expose your identity, or use your voice. You will simply copy and paste videos. Stay tuned, and I'll take you through everything you need to know soon after this. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Before anything else, you know the drill. To be notified for future videos that talk about the same goal, do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. You will need an array of scenes to be included in these videos while you are making them. And that's where this website, Pexels, enters the picture. When you search Pexels in your browser and click any of the given results, you will be brought to this page here. As you can see, there will be a search bar where you can input the keyword of the images and video clips that you want to make videos with. For example, I'll type in the word motivational. It doesn't even take a minute before these results are presented to me. We'll choose any video or image from here. And if we've already chosen, just click on that. You'll have 3 choices. You can either add it to your collection, like it, or download it. The next step to our video making will be adding the background music, and we'll do that using platforms where you can download free music from. A lot of content creators and video editors are using YouTube as a source for background music. When you search for the same keyword that we used earlier in Pexels, motivation, as an example, you will get a lot of options here. You can just choose one and have it downloaded to your device. If you find downloading from YouTube a bit of a hassle, I can also recommend Pixabay. This website can not only offer you images and video clips, you can also download music from here. It works just like YouTube, where you can search up your preferred music using a keyword. The only difference is the way you download your music. Our next stop will be a website where we can search for audios about our topic in an audio format. With that, the Internet Archive is what we're going to use. There are many choices here. From the audio section, you'll need to select from the options in the drop-down. And for this video, I'll search from audiobooks and poetry. After downloading the music of your choice and other needed audio, the next step would be editing your video. There are many video editing platforms and applications available for computers and mobile phones. You can decide whichever you are comfortable to edit your videos with. For example, I want to edit my video in CapCut. I already have it downloaded to my computer, so I'll just open it. The workspace will look like this. I will just open the directory folder where my downloads earlier are saved. Select on the clips and images and drag it to the editor. When it's already loaded, the next thing that I will drag will be the background music that I also downloaded. When both of them are added to the working space, I can drag, cut, and do anything I want with it. There are a lot of effects and elements that I can add to make my video more presentable and appealing. As you can see, the video clip and image that I downloaded earlier only take this short time. And what you need to do when something like this happens is to go back to Pexels website and download from there again. It's that quite simple. You might also need to add a title for the video that you are editing to keep its identity known. When you're done editing, you'll need to head back to YouTube and go to your account. If you still haven't activated your channel, do it now. You can't upload your videos if you don't have a channel. Just provide the needed information to have your video identified. Just an additional tip, use a title that will pull a lot of viewers' attention. You can see videos from YouTube that have the same content benchmark from their titles, and after that, you can already click on the upload or publish button. The videos you'll make must have a great impact on first watch, so viewers will always want to go back and see if your channel has a new upload. That's another tip right there, alright? Another important thing to keep in mind is that in order to start making money off of your videos, you'll need to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 view hours. Although it will take work to reach these goals, making these videos is simple. One daily video production may go a long way toward expanding your viewership and gaining views. Make sure your video is in line with what people are searching for by doing thorough research. You may gradually draw in more viewers by following these guidelines. In order to help you make use of these resources and begin making money, I'll be sure to add links of the mentioned websites in the description box. Thank you for watching the full guide. We hope to have you again in the next upload, only here on Passive Income.